Hi Sha, it's me Chub Chub. Actually, dili jud ko ganahan tawagon ko Chub Chub, but you are the only exception. Char! Bitaw, happy birthday to the most energetic, kind, caring, beautiful, funny girl I know. Like, daghan pa kay kog mahuna-hunaan, but mutaas ang video, so i-short na lang din ako. Char! Bitaw, happy birthday Sha. I miss our chicas na, but I miss you more. Bitaw, I miss you so much na Sha. When na ta magkita, ikaw na dapat mo anhi dari sa balay para dari ta mag-sleep over. Char. Bitaw, I miss you so much Sha, and you can always message me. I'm always here for you, and I'm super lucky to have a cousin like you. And anyways, happy 18th birthday Sha. Hala, asa ang shot? Ready na ko. Hala, bitaw, joke lang. I love you so much Sha. I miss you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shalay, my baby. Ayan.
Hello, Ate Shalay. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Shalay. I prepared a message for your birthday so that I will not miss any word for my greetings. Okay, so allow me to read it for you, Ate Shalay. Happy 18th birthday, my dear Ate Shalay. Today is such a special day, marking the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your life. I can hardly believe how quickly you've grown into such a beautiful, talented, and strong young woman. Watching you grow up has been such a joy, and I am beyond proud of the person you've become. As you step into adulthood, I hope you embrace all the amazing opportunities that come your way. Chase your dreams with passion and never forget how much love and support you have from those who care about you. Life will have its ups and downs, but know that you're capable of handling whatever comes your way. May this year bring you laughter, unforgettable memories, and all the happiness your heart can hold. Always remember, no matter where life takes you, you'll always forever have a special place in my heart, and I'll be here cheering for you on every step of the way. Here's to a bright future filled with success, adventure, and endless joy. Enjoy every moment of this incredible journey ahead. Ate Shalay, kabalo man jud ka nga sa imo pang pagka-baby. Baby na jud ta ka, Ate Shalay. Ikaw ang pinaka-first baby na ko before kay In. And kabalo ka sa story sa imuhang bunyag nga ako kang giuli diretso sa balay. Gihimo ta kag anak diretso. Gikuha ta ka sa imong mamagpapa kay I was really dying to have my own baby. And sabi nila pag nanghuwam daw baby, magka-baby po puno. So, nag-work ba ito, Ate Shalay? Niabot ko si In, di ba? So, you will always be my first baby. At kabalo ka, ako pa kang gihimo adtog kanang kuan. Cute kay nga teddy bear, tambok kay kastanan ako kang gi kanang palitag dengan kay gatas kay aron jud sigihan takag padede. Unya karon di ko ka imagine nga dalaga na ka. And 18 years old na ka, Ate Shalay. Gusto man ta ka mag-teacher pareha na ako. Pero I do not know kung kaya ni mo, lisod kaya ang trabaho sa isa ka teacher. Pero kung passion na ni mo, okay naman po. Pero kung nursing, okay na po. Basta ko asa ka happy, support me, permit ani mo. Unya ka ng unsa man. Si In, ay prepare si In nga message niya. Na-nervous man siya. Iya pagkulonggi. Andam-andam ay isulti. Unya, dali In. Alika, ibigay mo na yung sayo. Ayan, prepare namin yung sasabihin. O, kunin mo yung cellphone mo dito. O. Judy, ako di ko maayo jud aning-ani ba. Daliin. O. Ikaw naman. Ako sa siyang tagaan aning space dire. Ana og sa likod. Dali. Go.
Maligayang 18th birthday sa iyo. Today marks a new chapter in your life. Isang napakagandang simula para sa mas maraming pangarap, pagkikilala sa sarili at pagtuklas sa mundo. Ang pagiging dalaga ay hindi lang tungkol sa edad kundi sa pagiging matatag, mapagmahal at puno ng pangarap. Salamat sa pagiging inspirasyon sa napakalibot sa iyo, sa pamilya, sa kaibigan at lahat ng nagmamahal sa iyo. Naway palagi magliwanag ang iyong landas puno ng blessings, unconditional love at kaligayang walang hanggan. Kahit anong panghamon ang dumating, tandaan mo na maraming nagmamahal sa iyo at lagi kaming nandiyan para sa iyo. Enjoy this special day and embrace the beautiful journey ahead. You deserve all the love and happiness the world can offer. Mahal ka namin.
Yes, Ate Shalay. So, ayaw gud saya nga imong Ate Shalay ha, imong kinabuhi, kanang tarong nga imong pag-eskwela, kung man ang pag-eskwela, kuha kag maayo nga trabaho, and unsa imong dream sa imong life, no? Ma-achieve man na nimo Ate Shalay, basta kuyog lang permi si Jesus, and then always listen to your parents, no? Na mao'y naghatag nimo ka na ay kuan chance para makabot nimo imong pangandoy, ilang support, ilang guidance, and I always pray for God's protection, blessing, and guidance all the days of your life. Kanta natin si Ate Shalay of happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ate Shalay. Happy birthday to you, Ate Shalay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Sha. We love you so much. I love you, Ate Sha. I love you, Mama. I see you soon. Kayo yung bakasyon namin, happy. God permits. Bye-bye. Mwah.